Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T, and before we get started with this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that way every time I upload to YouTube, you'll be one of the first people to be notified when I upload. So with that being said, this is a Forsage update. Guys, I haven't looked at my Forsage account, updated my doggone videos for my journey. I've been so busy running around, making these paper moves, and I still work a job still, and I'm a single mom, so I'm taking care of my kids, I'm going to work, I'm doing other things as well to get some income going on. I got business, and I was like, oh my God, I fell off my YouTube channel. Like, I gotta get it together. So I'm like, you know what? Like, I'm gonna record my videos. I gotta do it. I gotta get back on doing what I need to do. So with that being said, this is gonna be my Forsage video. We're gonna dive into the computer. Y'all should already know how we get down over here on T's channel, okay? So we're gonna actually go ahead and dive into the computer. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna dive into my Forsage account real quick in my back office real quick. What's up, Max? I ain't seen you in a long time. Yo, I haven't been checking my Forsage account. I've been so busy. All right. So as you can see, like, the price of Ethereum has definitely went up. My account was way less than that before. So I still have only 2 people that signed up under me. Like, I'm not running traffic to this, guys. Like, right now I'm not running no traffic to it. So like, the numbers is just, remaining the same right now. I haven't gotten any overflow. As you can see, I haven't bought any more slots. Right now it's 7,555. Wait a minute. 700,055. Look, 755,306 participants. Yo, this thing. Oh nah. Listen, y'all. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. Like, this thing growing too much. Like, this not growing too much. It's actually a good thing that it's growing. But it's making me want to go ahead and just like go buy some slots. Like, so I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like, I am about to go ahead and get another slot because I might mess around and get 2. Let me see. All right, so for the 5th slot, it's $134. Okay, that's cool. What's this? It's a new screen. I've never seen that before. Okay, so I guess this is new, y'all, because like I said, I haven't been on Forsage in a while, and I guess this is just gonna let me know when it actually went through. Normally, y'all know it take a little while for this stuff to go through. So what I'm probably gonna do, I'm probably gonna go ahead and cut the video. Y'all can see Max just told me that it was confirmed, but it still take a while to go through. I'm gonna try to refresh the page. Refresh. Okay, yeah, so it still didn't go through, but it normally take about like a couple minutes for this to go through. All right, y'all, so my 5th slot is in, and I got it. And now I was thinking about getting the 6th slot, but like I was saying in one of my other videos, like, I really rather like make the money off of Forsage and then put it back in. So I'm gonna stay with the 5th slot right now. I'm not going to get the 6th slot for right now, whatever the case may be. So yeah, so that's basically it for my Forsage update. I just wanted to show y'all, what my account looking like, or whatever the case may be, and also because I haven't done a Forsage update in so long, and I'm like off track in my journey, and I gotta get back on track with it. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Everybody have a great day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.